Hi, I am Dev, working with Maersk, Pune GSC in the application process support team. It's been 7 years now for me in this team, and it's a big team that I manage, almost 80 odd people working with me, both in Pune and Manila. To tell you more about my background, I started in Maersk and East erstwhile P&O Nedloyd 16 years back, and it was a very good journey, I would say, a memorable journey so far. I've enjoyed every bit of challenges and opportunities that has come my way. To take you in flashback, I joined in October 22nd, 1997. I'm sure by then most of you would still be in your school and colleges. I joined in P&O Nedloyd in the customer service department as an officer, and I worked in the customer service department for 4 years in Mumbai, and then Pune happened to me in 2001. It was a big decision for me to move from Mumbai to Pune because I have to shift my base. But then as I always believed that, I always believed in taking challenges. That's one of my forte, and I took that as an opportunity, moved to Pune, and then Pune happened to me. I was very confident about moving to Pune because I knew that my base was firm. I knew my business, and it helped me a lot. I joined Pune GSC in 2001. I worked initially in the customer service department, and then I moved across, and I never stopped. I moved into implementation, which is application support. I moved into training, I moved into interface management, and I moved into migration, transition, and I got rich experience. I worked with, I don't know, almost 15 managers, I would believe, and they were all good, very helpful, supportive, and I really learned a lot from them. In 2007, I joined apps. And it was again a very new team for me, a different sort of experience that I got to learn from this team, and I'm enjoying my stint with the apps team simply because this team is great, and we have some very good people working with us, both in Pune and Manila, very energetic and very supportive. Right from top to bottom. In apps, I think what makes apps different is the energy. That's what I always believe. The energy to serve the customer, give them solution upfront, and also have fun in the process. And we do have a lot of fun activity which I really enjoy, and I support the team, and I encourage the team to enjoy work and have fun. On personal front, I am married, and my daughter will be just 13-year-old in August, so I'm not too young now, but young by heart, and I love to play hard, work hard. That has been my mantra, I would say, all way long. I do play, sports. I love soccer. I play cricket, and I also like to run. I am an athlete. I can run fast, as fast as possible. I do gym, so that keeps me fit. I am a family man, so when I have spare time, I like to spend time with my family. Take them out for movies. Obviously now that my daughter is growing up, I am giving all my time to her to support her for studies or any other activity. I think the most memorable event in my career was coming to Pune and my manager, whom I was working was very sad that day, and she really told me one word that Dev, I will miss you. That was very touching because I thought that the work that we did in the front office was very very difficult in terms of the spread. We start at 8 and end at 10 or 11, with literally doing everything in the shipping books. So that was touchy, and it was a great moment for me when your manager tells you that she misses you. Since I was working in projects also, it was again a moment that I enjoyed when I was in London, where my experience of shipping really helped the overall project to deliver the timeline, deliver on the timelines, because of the inputs that I shared on the front end experience, and be it on testing or be it on any other related task, training for the matter of fact. So that was again a proud moment for me. So I was able to contribute. While in Pune, I enjoyed every bit of my work life here, especially for me. If I have to come to office, it is something which I always look forward to learn new things and meet new people and share my experience with my team. I am happy that I am able to contribute to the team growth. I've seen people growing, with me. I've seen people excelling in their career, and I'm happy that I'm able to contribute in whatever small way I could do. But then, by the end of the day, I always believe that it is a team effort that takes people at higher level, and that's what I've been following all day my life. But nonetheless, I think that's the whole summary of what I am and what I'm doing out here, and I look forward to work and contribute in my own way going forward as well. And I would definitely want people to grow, bottom line. If I have to name a slogan for my apps team, I would only think of one slogan which says, customers, you are in safe hands, because I truly believe that this team is full of energy. They know business, they know the application, and they are always there for help. And I really like and look forward to work with the team. Thank you.
Thank you.